Can you tell us a little bit about your company's MVB Network Vision and strategy going forward?
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for having me here. And I want to correct the older name, VimpelCom, but actually in this Mobile World Congress, we have launched the company with a new name, completely new strategy, which is called Veon. So VimpelCom becomes Veon. Going forward, what does that mean? It is a digital, forward-looking, customer-oriented company based on personalization, contextual, and the whole data analytics. Now let me come to the question of MBB, which is mobile broadband. Mobile broadband is the lifeline for anything which happens on internet while you are mobile. And for us, it is very important that we embrace that, and we not only see that in a layered manner like 2G, Edge, 3G, 4G, but we develop a coherent strategy by which we can take investments to the next level and give customers an extremely good experience. And our experience actually with our partners has been we could swap out networks, modernize networks, and bring better speeds to the customers. On mobile broadband, what we have also done actually is in Armenia, we have, together with our partner Huawei, we have launched a 450 megahertz LTE, which means that you can go much farther and you can bring rural internet to life much faster also. And I think these are the kind of innovations we are looking for continuously.
We were talking a little bit before about spectrum and issues around spectrum and trying to do more with the spectrum you have. What are the challenges there and how are you trying to overcome them?
You know, spectrum is a very important, almost like a natural resource. There is not much of it, and everyone wants a lot of it because just capacity is increasing, customers are wanting more, and we want to provide a lot more, and IoT is coming. So the way we look at it is we want to maximize what we have first. Given it is a natural resource, we want to use it effectively and take it to the absolute maximum level. What we have done in Bangladesh, as an example, is when we have a need of capacity, normally you start adding more sites. What happens when you add more sites? You increase the structural cost. That structural cost will be not helping us in our balance sheet. And hence we go back and we will not be able to expand a lot more because revenues are not increasing at the same pace. So what we have done is got back on the drawing board together with our partner Huawei. And for the first time in the world, we have been able to launch a 18-sector site with a precision by which we increase coverage, increase capacity, and we remove all the incremental costs which we would have in case we would not have these innovations in place. Also, as we go into some spectrum acquisition, minimal, we need to be able to aggregate that. We need to be able to prepare it for the future. And these are the new technologies we want to be completely on top of it.
And finally, we talked a little bit about the emerging market and where you guys want to play there. So what's the company's plans for the emerging market? How are you breaking into that market?
Yeah, you know, VimpelCom, if I leave Italy and parts of Russia, we are an emerging market player. Means Algeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Kazakhstan. And these are all emerging markets, and we believe that these have great potential. Great potential from a side of connectivity, great potential from, actually, if you go back to the drawing board, internet access will create a new economy in these markets. Mobile financial services will create a new paradigm. And with the application, the platform Veon, we will be able to bring them much faster to internet and open new ecosystems. And for us, this is very important. So the way we see, we are going to have rock solid networks which are generating great capacities, optimized and very innovative. Over that, a virtual infrastructure which allows applications to ride, and a customer interface where you connect with the complete personalized data. When we give this all in a straight manner to all the emerging markets, we believe we'll create a difference.
Yogesh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.